Dear students, myself Pawan Tawar, Assistant Professor, Government College, Bhiwani. Another name Pal Singh, Government College, Bhiwani. Today's topic of discussion is spectroscopy of atoms. As we know, the spectroscopy is a good tool to discuss the atomic structure, and as we know, every atom during de-excitation process emits energy or radiation in a certain range. We know that the range is from violet to red. Generally, we can say this is Vibgyor, which is a visible range. After that, this side is called ultraviolet rays. This side is called infrared radiation. These region, this and this, cannot be seen by us, or you can say it is not visible. This region, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, is our visible range, and different color are present in this region. Simply it is called Vibgyor. After that, as we know, during de-excitation of atom from higher level to lower level, the different type of radiation, different having different wavelength or frequency are obtained. Accordingly, these obtained series are known as Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series, and Pfund series. For Lyman series, if the atom or the electron falls from any higher level to first level, then we obtained the frequency or the radiation which lies in the Lyman series. And the formula, we know that Vn frequency is equal to R Rydberg constant 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. This is first orbital. This is any other higher orbital. It may be 2, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If the frequency falls in this region, this is known as the Lyman series. Second, if the electrons from higher level falls to the second level, and the higher levels are 3, 4, 5 and so on, then the obtained frequency falls in the Balmer series. This is called Balmer series. Now Paschen series, if electrons fall from any higher level to third level, then this is called the Paschen series. Brackett series, if electrons falls from any higher level to fourth level, then this is called the Brackett series. Pfund series, if the electrons falls from any higher level to fifth level, n2 can be 6, 7, 8 and so on, this is known as the Pfund series. And as you can ask, atom can range from first level to fifth or to fourth, or from lower level to higher level, but this is called excitation, not de-excitation. The radiation emitted will be emitted during de-excitation. This going from lower level to upper level is called excitation, and it has a different meaning.